We have this Royce Cullinan's coming for brake pads, and where we've got the parts, we've also been given a Rolls-Royce carrier bag. We've got a wear sensor for the brake pads, and we have the brake pads in a BMW box. This right here is a spacer. It attaches onto the hub behind your wheel. This is added to add more width so the tire sticks out more with the wheel. This is the brake pad sensor, and this will tell you when your brake pads are low on your dashboard. We're using the diagnostic machine, which is plugged in to the Rolls-Royce so that we can wind back the rear caliper and change the brake pads. Clips. I use this copper grease on the pads just here on the edge where it sits on the clip, for the sole reason that I do not want the pads to squeak once they are fitted. This is the new sensor, and you can see we're going to plug it into the brake pad now. This is the plug for the wear sensor. Starts from here where the plug is and comes all the way down and enters into the brake pad.